Tanto DeFi, and today I'm going to speed run one of the submissions for the LUKSO buildUP2 hackathon that recently finished. This project is called the Decentralized Relayer project, and it was actually right here won a prize under the infrastructure and tools, and I have it open here. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's figure out what this is about. So some awesome, figure out what we got submitted here. Whoops, nope, we don't want that. Real cool. So the relayer is actually, the URL here isn't serving anything, which it could serve a landing page maybe to explain it better. The scope of pull request introduces mode in relayer that allows to use LSP. There's some videos here to watch. He did a lot of, he's trying to, oh wow, he wants to list it into something cool under the tools mock relayer from the M8B dev, right? Which, like, what is this? M8B, I think they are a dev team working on LUKSO. Yeah, look at that. Tools mock, they forked a mock relayer repo. These guys are heavy hitters. Right? And he's trying to fork that. Right? 16 commits. Yeah, this is his branch, man. This is dope. So no idea how to run this and deploy something like this to testnet if I wanted to set something up like this. But this is clearly part of the value add that NFT projects are going to need to start to think about. It's not enough to just send someone a JPEG and inscribe that data somewhere on the mainnet chain. Like, you need to be thinking utility functions, phygital goods, the evolution and merging of new IRL and digital experiences, and what these new building blocks of the LSPs are going to give you. So this project is already playing with something super cool, that they actually forked what the tools mock relayer, which is a proof of concept repo of just how relayer functionality works, which I think they must themselves, LUKSO, is actually using this type of relayer to subsidize all of the gas for all mainnet users. I believe they subsidize 2 million gas. And the measurement of gas is still probably to the 10 of the 18 or 18 decimal places. So 2,000,006, that interesting. What are they subsidizing there? What is that? Less than half a licks of gas? I can't do the ratio conversion in my head, but I think that's a quick way of thinking about it, is free gas and powered by this mock relayer repo from LUKSO. And looks like this is actually the dev who made the contribution. Let's check out Blaze. He is super, looks like he is based in Europe, and M8B.pl. This is it's an org too, and Siliza coin, and this is interesting. Right? I'm always fascinated about, is this going to be an invite to the user or a Discord invite? I have no idea, guys. My computer is, I apologize for how slow this is. Discord invalid. Okay, Silesia, what does he have here? I love that it's Poland. Huh. It's interesting. It's really just like his like organization of his repos. Right? It's off scope now. We're super off scope, guys. Like, right? Ethereum 2.0, right? Yeah, I mean, this is there's definitely some action here, you know, like you know, don't know how it is, but it's interesting. So we'll ditch through that. MAB is definitely also something I want to look at. This looks like it is these guys are some devs that participate in the hackathon, and they are looking like team of agiles. They're on Facebook. That's interesting. They're on LinkedIn. I, of course, will find them on LinkedIn. I will find them everywhere. You cannot hide from Tanto. Very cool, you know, like just an absolute, looks like an absolute gem of a dev shop. And I'm excited to poke around everything that these guys do, right? And figure out like what part of Bartek, amazing, right? Amazing recommendation of what they say, right? Like, wow, that's like, how do I get that, dude? Like, you know, you guys are rock stars. How are they not actually on socials though, right? Like, this feels like these are guys that I need to help with their marketing, right? Like our portfolio. Mjolnir, that looks awesome. Yeah, you guys, like, look at these teams, right? Like, right? Oh, amazing, right? And right, love it, love this shop, love this team. Yeah, yeah. LUKSO orchestrated, interesting. Go implementation of Ethereum, set of utilities for Ethereum and PHP. Returns detailed response, ETH block API. Interesting. Very cool. So we've got an idea of who. whitelisted. So here, this is actually a whitelisted Antica, whitelisted view all branches. What have we got here? Yeah, whitelisted relayer, server Antica, ahead, behind, yeah, look at all that. Very cool. Deleted. Huh. Gotta love that. This is so far very cool. Work offline and don't miss a beat. Turn on. No thanks. Turn off. No thanks. This is L2s are passe. This is his deck. Blaze. mab.dev. We've got his universal profile right there. Let's show him that we love him. You know, I think that's something that people don't do enough. We are going to grab our password here. Don't know if this is actually recording, by the way. If it is, that's cool. If it isn't, that's also cool. We actually are running the Antica relayer right here. These UN1IO tokens. These are the exact tokens he's talking about here as a quota oracle. So like per transaction I burn, like where this is also going to be an awesome test of us just like testing his stuff live, and that's how we're going to do it. We are on the bleeding edge, everybody. Right, and let's see, look, I'm using the relayer, and if anyone remembers, I had about 101, right? I had about 101 of those UN1IO tokens, which are the LSP7s that allow me to process transactions on the Antica relayer, which was the BuildBox hackathon submission for buildUP2 on LUKSO mainnet, which was written by this awesome dev, Blaze8. So we are sending that. Send is complete. Amazing. Let's return to my profile. Somehow, you can send LUKSO, and it didn't use my UN1 token for through the relayer, but I'm pretty sure that if we start checking around, it's going to say transaction complete, and if we poke around in my settings, network transaction relay, we're using the relayer. Save. Okay, all right, well, that's us. We're doing it. I'll have to play around again. Oh wait, yeah, the token just adjusted. Did you guys see that? I just burned a transaction. Thank you, Antica, for covering my gas for that send. Another way that gas abstraction is just going to be handled for, like, this is proof that blockchain is ready for mainnet people when you no longer need to worry about this, and you can just find me by my username, baked in identity primitives on the layer 1. How could you not be bullish? That's amazing. So this is awesome. So thank you, Universal Profile. Thank you, Blaz. Is so sick. Let's take a look. This is hilarious. I love that slide. Yeah. Yeah. I believe that is the relayer. Yeah. This is also some version of that, right? Yeah. This is amazing because it's just like a proof of like this is how you onboard the next couple 4.2 million normies into blockchain, right? Is by with projects and submissions like this. This is awesome. He's explaining how this is going to work. The UN1 amount to amount 1, fee recipient. Okay, transfer. I couldn't actually transfer my UN1 tokens, but I feel like, okay, users sign, send, transfer, yeah, okay, operator runs, recipient warning, presented approach works only on LUKSO mainline. Okay. Oh, I'm going backwards now, jeez. This is the model. So yeah, 1 token was 1 transaction. Operator, fee recipient, relay. Okay. Then there's a gas limit per block, right? This is just awesome. This slide teaches me so much about stuff I didn't know, but I thought I understood. I'm so happy that I'm doing this right now. I'm sorry if this is boring for you guys. This is a UI for charge 3er. I don't know if this is real yet, if this is a prototype, if this is an idea, if this is part of his deck. Right? Who knows? Like, we can just do some quick Google. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it's the thing yet, but that means we've got the alpha. Keep your eye out for this, potentially. Yes, utility token. It really is. Like, I don't want to brag, but like I have 100 of these bad boy utility tokens that, like, what a amazing experience and unlock that, like, we